Gamers, what if I told you that you could experience Dimensity 9300 plus level power on your low-end device? Sounds unreal, right? Well, in this video, I'm bringing you the ultimate performance tweak that will boost your FPS, enhance stability, and make your phone feel like a true flagship. Say goodbye to lag, stutters, and slow processing. With this tweak, your device will unlock next-level gaming performance, just like the powerful Dimensity 9300 Plus CPU. Whether you play FPS shooters, battle royales, or open-world games, this will take your experience to a whole new level. Don't keep this insane secret to yourself. Share this video with your squad so they can also unlock flagship performance. Smash that like button, subscribe for more game-changing tweaks, and let's jump right in.